I'm going to try turning this into lap siding, just like that stuff that's on that cabin. This is aspen, quaking aspen, about 10 inches wide. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these blocks, I have 3/4 inch blocks, and I'm just going to put them on the back side here. So I'm going to kick this thing up, put some blocks underneath it, and see how that works. Okay, now you can see what I'm getting at here. This whole cant is tilted on an angle, and I have the clamps fastened right down at the bottom to try and keep it from sort of pushing back straight. So now I should be able to just take this whole cant, sit it back down on the rails, and make another cut. So I guess I'll get the rest of this cant done and see how many boards I get out of it. Well, here's the aftermath. I got 10 siding boards out of all this. And working that out, taking into account overlap and whatever pieces had weight on them, I've got roughly 150 square feet of wall coverage right there.